Hello guys, I'm here to my kitchen and welcome to Lovely Shelly's kitchen, of course. So I came from work and I'm craving a cucumber. I have a short videos, the viral Logan cucumber. So now I'm going to make it again because my husband and I we love it and I like it. Again, I'm going to use a salmon, so I'm gonna cook here in a pan. So let's go, guys. Ayan. So I'm gonna use a butter to cook our um salmon. There you go. I have a short videos this one, but I'm gonna make this for my long videos. So of course I'm gonna use salmon again to our protein, and I just put salt and pepper only. There you go. And then we're gonna cook this. We're going to cook this in a butter. Ayan. Tara! While we're waiting, and I'm going to chop this cucumber. Again, we have cream cheese, avocado, and we need the onions. I'm gonna use this again because this is a wide and kind of tall jar to mix it well. Our cucumber, and of course, I'm going to use onions. I guess I'm gonna use only like a half because this is big. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah, it's half only, the small one. I have avocado. I'm gonna use avocado while we're cooking our salmon. Look at the avocado. Oh, perfect. Tak. Tara. Ay. Diba? Ay. Ayan. Right. Ay, malapit na siya maluto. Our salmon. Of course, we're going to wash this. Ready na siya. Then, we're going to use hulog siya. Onion chives. Ta-da! Okay. And I'm gonna chop our avocado. I guess I'm gonna add avocado. I'm gonna add one. Dagdag tayo ng avocado kasi parang konti lang. Masarap yung daming avocado. Tingala. Salmon natin. Ayan, luto na yan mamaya-maya. Wow. Sarap siya. So, ito yung protein natin. So, and then, we're going to chop our onion. So, yung onions natin, chop natin pa haba. Ayan, diba? Ito yung ating onions. Ang ating salmon, luto na siya. So, pwede na siya i-set aside. This is already cooked, oh, yung ating salmon, ah. Oh, ma. Ayan, luto na iyan, oh. Oh, diba? Masarap tong salmon, guys. Pak. Set aside natin to. Kahit magkadurog-durog siya, kasi durugin naman natin to eh. Ayan, o, nadurog siya. Yung gigil ka talaga. Kasi ang ingay. Ayan, ang ingay mo. So, ayan dyan ka. So, maglagay tayo ng additional avocado. Diba? Ay, sana luto to. Nakabili ako ng 4. Pero, hindi ko alam kung luto siya. Pero, luto siya. To be honest. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Dagdag tayo ng avocado. So, eto. Ayan. Kunin kaya natin to. Kasi parang nagba-black siya sa aking video dyan. Oh, ayan, oh. Ng avocado. Kasi masarap, guys, kapag mayroong avocado talaga. Parang ito yung kanyang mapapa-highlight sa ating cucumber. Ay, ang sarap. O, diba? May ganon. Ayan. Ang aking bahay po ay umuusok na. So, anyway, ayan. And then, chop natin to. Ayan lang. Ganda, sarap po kayo. Avocado. So, ayan, dami ng avocado. Then, of course, yung ating cucumber. Gusto ko tong ganito. Yung pabilog siya. Diba? Uy, huwag kang maano dyan. Sana dinagdagan ko, no. Konti lang yun. Yung aking cucumber, akala ko ano. Well, anyway, okay na yan. Sana dinamihan ko. Dalawa sana ako. Talagang mauubos namin to, guys. Yung ano na to, yung cucumber na to. Oh, diba? Pak. Oh, ayan. So, ready na ba? So, maglagay na tayo sa ating jar ng cucumber. Lagyan natin cucumber. Tapos, teka lang. Ayoko kasi na ano, parang basa yung aking area. So, wipe lang tayo ng paper towel, no? And then, ito na. Ilagay na natin lahat. Lagyan natin yung avocado. And of course, yung ating onions, chop of onions. And ang ating onion chives. Ayan. Daming hugasan na naman. And then, we're going to add pepper. Wala akong everything bigaw seasoning. Ano ba pwede ilagay natin dyan? And then, salt. O, diba? And, nakalagay na ako ng pepper. Then, we're going to add cream cheese. Ito, nagpapasarap to. Yung cream cheese natin. Siguro mga half or 1/4 lang. Ayan. Kasi parang konti lang yung aking cucumber, no? Ayan siya. And then, ilagay na natin yung ating protein. Using with, ito yung nagpapasarap din, yung ating salmon. O, diba? Durug-durugin natin. Ayan. Lagay natin. Yung binili ko is mayroon siyang, mayroon siyang skin. Sarap kainin tong skin. Pero kunin natin yung skin. Tapos mamaya kakainin ko yan. Hindi ko yan natatapon kasi I love the skin of salmon. Ayan, o. Pak. O, diba? Pak. Ayan siya. Ay, mainit. Mainit siya. Ayan. So, ang skin, kakainin ko to mamaya. Oh, I love it. I love the skin, guys. Bahala sila. Sayang kasi. Diba? Sarap yan. Kasi pilagyan ng kanin. Yan muna. And then, so naglagay na tayo. Ganun lang, guys. So, easy, very easy. Kasi ang sarap. This one, it's a kipoy mayo. Ayan siya. Kipoy mayo. Lagyan natin ng medyo madami-dami. Oh, ayan na siya. Oh, here you go. Wala tayong everything is Beagle seasoning. So, ito lang siya. So, then, i-mix lang natin. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Ito yung hinihintay ng aking husband. Kasi kahapon pa kami nag-crave nito. Kaso lang yung avocado natin. Shake, 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 shake. Shake pa more para ma-mix talaga yung cream cheese. Tsaka yung mayo. Yung kipoy mayo. Tak, tak, tak. Ay, naku, excited. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung eto kasi maliit lang to na na chopstick Maganda yung mahaba sana. I think we're gonna use the long one. Eto, meron tayong mahaba dito. Tara! Hindi ko alam kung marunong ako mag-chopstick. Try natin. So, eto na siya. Easy lang. So, meron ka ng cucumber salad. O, diba? Uy, nandito lahat. Oh. sa lid. Ayan. Ay, nako, sarap to, guys. Diba? Okay, try natin. Sarap po yato. Maubos namin to. Ako. Ito yung parang appetizer. Hoy, magkaano ka. Ayun, oh. Sarap. Tapos, sarap kumain kapag may avocado. Sarap yung avocado, salmon, at saka yung combination ng cream cheese at saka kipoy mayo. Sarap siya. Babanat natin ito sa ating asawa. Sa asawa ko. Stir-boiled natin siya sa baba. Ha? Wala ka lang. Sarap siya. Kuha tayo ng small container para sa kanya. Tara, strawberry natin siya sa baba. Kahapon pa ito nag-crave eh. Sarap siya. Ito na yung aking snacks. Sarap. Are you busy? I have a cucumber and I'm doing a video so that you need to try. So that I have a premiere later in my YouTube. You go. You remember yesterday? We're craving. Yeah, it's salmon.
Had to wait till today.
Try that first before
you
you're
want me
gonna
to try it
get. Yes, because Saraya also asking to try. Eat with the cucumber. I don't have everything Bigo seasoning, so you should order on at Amazon or somewhere. Okay, you like it more? Because me and Sarah are gonna share. So ayan. Since yesterday we're craving this, but we're waiting for the avocado to ripe.
Ripen?
Yes. Get more. Me and Sarah are gonna share.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
Yes, of course.
What?
This is our
Holy- That's a whole lump of avocado.
Oh, the cream cheese.
Oh, the cream cheese.
Okay, just put cream cheese and then more Oh, the cream cheese did not well. I guess next time what I'm gonna do is to melt the cream cheese, right?
You chop it into little
Yeah.
pieces.
Are you okay for that?
Yeah, I'm okay for that.
Okay, me and Sarah are gonna
Okay.
love this. So what will you say?
Oh no, this is yours and I'm taking this.
No. So what will you say? Say
It's
it.
delicious.
It's
Thank you.
delicious. Okay.
And I love you.
I love it too. I'm craving for this. Okay. Bye for now. That's it, guys. And we're so excited. And Sarai excited too.
Yeah.
Right? Right.
Take forever.
We'll take more.
Huh? That's it. Okay, go.
Okay. Ayan. Ayan na. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.